Deputy Speaker and one Pacman party list representative Mikee Romero is giving 3 million pesos to Hidilyn Diaz as a reward. Diaz won the country's first Olympic gold medal in 92 years. She won the 55-kilogram weightlifting event of the 2020 Tokyo Olympics, finishing with a total of 224 kilograms. Romero said Diaz will also receive an Olympic Gold Medal of Valor from the Philippine Sports Commission. Under Republic Act 10699, signed by the late President Noynoy Aquino, Diaz is entitled to a 10 million peso cash incentive from the government. Aside from Romero, businessmen Ramon Ang and Manny Pangilinan promised to give 10 million pesos each to Filipinos who will win gold in the Tokyo Olympics.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.